Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So come on, get ready to decorate a chocolate cake. So let's begin. Thank you for staying till the end. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, to share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, to take a moment to subscribe. So it is bye bye for today.